So I just saw this post in SFM Tribe. It said something like, what are the three things that you're grateful for this week? And then I thought, why don't I shoot a video on this? What are the three things that I'm grateful for this week? And to be honest, I really like the way that they ask. They come up with these things. Last time it was something with they have asked, what would you tell yourself? Go back 10 years to your younger self. What would you tell yourself? What would be the message to yourself? And that was really great, actually. I answered myself and I gave a really nice suggestion to myself. So I'm really happy that the SFM team comes up with these new things. So today I just saw the post which said, what are the three things that you are grateful for this week? Today is Saturday, and so it's still this week. What are the three things that I'm grateful for? If I have to answer that, the first thing that I'm grateful for is for being alive and being safe and happy, and everything is great around me. I don't have any immediate trouble or pain or anything at all, so I'm really grateful for everything. It's so great. So that is the number one thing that I'm grateful for. Number two will be, I am grateful for my parents. I'm grateful to have my wonderful parents, that I love them so much and they love me so much. So I'm really happy and grateful to have my parents. That's number two. And number three will be, I am grateful for my work. I love my work. I'm grateful for my work. They look after me and I look after them. And they're supporting me and helping me to build my business. So I'm grateful to have that. So these are the three things that I'm grateful for this week. I think these are the three things that I'm grateful for all the times, but if I have to think about them now, what am I literally grateful for? These are the things that I would say that I'm most grateful for. If you have time, maybe you can go into the SFM Tribe and like that post and write a comment of what the things that you are grateful for. It's always good to share. Thank you, and have a good night, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.